Hello friends, imagine you're spending $200,000 on your MBA degree and end up struggling with repaying your loans. I know this is a problem, but what if you can do your MBA degree in the fraction of cost and still end up in a high-paying job and a career boost? It might sound like a dream, right? But watch this video till the end, and in this video I'll tell you top 10 countries with best ROI on MBA. Hi, this is Shatakshi and let's start the video. But before telling you the top 10 countries, let me exactly tell you what ROI is. ROI, that is return on investment. And let me tell you, ROI is not just about the higher salaries. It's about the return on the money which you have invested in your tuition cost, living cost, or the travel cost too. So if you are someone who is planning to do an MBA and want the best bang on your buck, then keep watching this video because I will tell you top 10 countries with best ROI. On number 10 is United Kingdom, where the tuition fees is somewhere around £45,000 to £90,000 and the living cost is £15,000 to £25,000 per year. But the average post-MBA salary is somewhere around £90,000 to £150,000. While expensive, the UK offers one-year MBA programs that reduce costs. Schools like London Business School, Oxford and Cambridge offer top-tier networks and high post-MBA salaries. On number 9 is Sweden, where the tuition fees is €30,000 to €4,500. Living cost is €1,200 to €1,800 per year. The average post-MBA salary is somewhere between €90,000 to €120,000. Sweden's innovation-driven economy and high salaries make it a smart choice for an MBA. With English taught programs and strong industry connections, it's an excellent place for international students. On number 8 is Ireland, where the tuition fees is somewhere around €30,000 to €50,000 and the living cost is €12,000 to €18,000 per year. But the average post-MBA salary is somewhere around €90,000 to €120,000. Ireland's low corporate tax rates and strong job market make it an attractive MBA destination. Dublin is home to major tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft, providing strong job perspectives. On number 7 is Spain, where the tuition fees is somewhere around €25,000 to €60,000. Living cost is €10,000 to €15,000 per year. And the average post-MBA salary is €80,000 to €110,000. Spain offers affordable tuition and a high quality of life. Schools like ESADE Business School and ESAID have excellent global reputations and MBA graduates often find jobs in Europe's booming startup and finance sectors. On number 6 is Singapore, where the tuition fees is 50,000 Singapore dollars to 80,000 Singapore dollars and the living cost is 18,000 Singapore dollars to 24,000 Singapore dollars per year. But the average post-MBA salary is somewhere around 100,000 Singaporean dollars to 140,000 Singaporean dollars. Now, Singapore is Asia's financial hub, making it a great destination for an MBA with low taxes, strong job markets and high salaries. It's a top choice for international students looking for quick ROI. On number 5 is Australia, where the tuition fees is somewhere around 50,000 Australian dollars to 90,000 Australian dollars. Living cost is 20,000 Australian dollars to 25,000 Australian dollars per year. But the average post-MBA salary is somewhere around 100,000 Australian dollars to 150,000 Australian dollars. Australia's MBA programs offer strong ROI and thanks to higher salaries and the opportunity to get permanent residency with major business hubs in Sydney and Melbourne, graduates find plenty of job opportunities. On number 4 is Netherlands, where the tuition fees is somewhere around €35,000 to €50,000. The living cost is €12,000 to €18,000 per year. And the average post-MBA salary is somewhere between €90,000 to €120,000. With a thriving business ecosystem and the English taught programs, the Netherlands is a hidden gem for MBA students. Many graduates land jobs in finance, consulting, and tech in cities like Amsterdam and Rotterdam. On number 3 is France, with the tuition fees of 30,000 euros to 60,000 euros, and the living cost is somewhere around 12,000 euros to 18,000 euros per year, where the average post-MBA salary is somewhere between 90,000 euros to 130,000 euros. France is home to top-ranked business schools like INSEAD, EC Paris, offering strong industry connections and high salaries post-MBA. Plus, the one-year MBA options here reduce overall cost and increase ROI. On number 2 is Canada, with the tuition fees of somewhere around 30,000 Canadian dollars to 80,000 Canadian dollars, and the living cost is between 15,000 Canadian dollars to 20,000 Canadian dollars per year, and the average post-MBA salary is between 90,000 Canadian dollars to 130,000 Canadian dollars. Canada is a great choice for international students because of its post-graduation work permit, allowing you to stay and work after your MBA. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver offer high salaries and strong job markets. On number 1 is Germany, with the tuition fees of 20,000 euros to 40,000 euros, and the living cost is 10,000 euros to 15,000 euros per year, and the average post-MBA salary is 80,000 euros to 120,000 euros. Germany offers world-class MBA programs at a much lower cost than the US or UK. Many public universities even have low or no tuition fees, and Germany has a booming job market in finance, tech, and consulting. So these are top 10 countries which gives the best ROI on the MBA degree. So if you are someone who's planning to pursue an MBA degree from abroad, comment MBA abroad down below, and I'll see you in the next video.